So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host ChaoTheChef, and today I happen to have a secret recipe for my remedy. You know, when you're dealing with cough and cold, this is how I deal with cough and cold. So in case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, hit the subscription button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you can keep in touch with my future videos. And for my returning subscriber, welcome back. So in case this is what giving you discomfort, I got you covered. I happen to know a remedy. So just stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. So after cleaning my ginger, I'll peel it off using a spoon like this. So this is how you peel ginger. So guys, let me know in the comment section. Do you happen to have a remedy for cold and cough? Or you just walk into a pharmacy and you know buy medicine. So our ingredients today are all natural. Yes, after peeling my ginger, I'm going to put it. From there, we peel two cloves of garlic. From there, you grate the garlic. The reason as to why I'm grating everything is to make sure that they they release the juices into the water that I'm going to boil. Add the ginger to the cooking pot, and then garlic into the pot. Here we are going to add about 1 liter of water and bring it to a boil. Turn off the heat. Wow, the aroma is so medicinal, guys. Next, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey into a cup. From there, cut one lemon into two pieces. Squeeze the lemon into the cup. So guys, after boiling our ginger and garlic, we are going to strain. After squeezing our lemon into the cup, we are going to add our boiled ginger tea into the cup. After adding the ginger tea, you are going to stir using a spoon. And then as you have seen, we have prepared our remedy using all natural ingredients from ginger, garlic, lemon, and honey. Ta-da! And here you have your remedy. So guys, wow. So one thing about this remedy, after preparing and taking it, you get some instant relief either on your throat or with the cold. So currently you are having cold and cough. You can do a big portion of this and take 2 to 3 glasses or cups of the same throughout the day, and it will help a big deal. Make sure you give it a try, and if you happen to have your own remedy, and then you can share in the comment section. Let us know how you prepare yours. Yeah, so that is it for today. I hope you have known something new, or at least about how to deal with the cough and cold. So if you find this video useful, kindly share widely. And if you are new here, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you can keep in touch with my future videos. Yeah, bye bye for now.